Hey guys, Monster50 here with another unboxing for you guys, this time of Anchorman, which I have to be honest with you guys about, I know fucking nothing about. I don't know, a couple of my mates recommended it, said it was a pretty good film. HMV was saying it for 7 quid, so I thought, why the fuck not? And as you can see, it comes with some trading cards, which are completely fucking pointless unless you're 2 years old, so don't know what I'll do with those. But yeah, anyways, let's get the knife out. Cut this open. It's gonna be enough now. Okay. So this back basically just comes off, and then they're trading cards, which yeah, I won't open because I have no interest in seeing them. So yeah, I'll just keep them how they are. Yeah, anyways, so we'll open up the case. This. Oh, you get 2 discs. Oh no, it's not blue. So that's weird. Disc 2 is first and disc 1 is behind it, which is odd. So anyways, disc 2. Fucking come out, you cunt. Fuck's sake, pissing me off. Right. Sorry about that. There's this one. And disc 2, whatever. There's disc 1. So there guys. Yeah guys, that was a quick unboxing of Anchorman. Some point I should be doing a review for Safe because I saw it the other day and yeah, might as well do a review for it. So look out for that if you're interested. So that's pretty much it guys. It's Monster50 signing out.